Hey folks, in this video I'm going to show you a super easy pan-seared steak and pasta recipe that's delicious, and you'll be able to cook this one any day of the week because it only takes a few minutes. You'll want to let the steak sit out on the counter for about a half hour to come up to temp. Go on with a pretty liberal amount of garlic salt. Next, hit it with a little of this coarse black pepper, and if you've got fresh crack or a pepper grinder, that would be even better. Before I season the other side, I kind of like to just pat it a little bit, make sure the seasoning sticks to it good, turn it over and do the same on the other side. A decent sized steak can take quite a bit of seasoning, so don't be afraid of it. Before I do anything else, I'm going to go ahead and put my spaghetti in a pot of boiling water. Go ahead and let that start cooking. Get a cast iron or carbon steel skillet on medium-high heat. I'll be cooking my steak with a little bit of peanut oil. The reason for using peanut oil is because the smoke point just a little bit higher, and I want to get a good sear on here, and I'll get this skillet pretty hot. While that's cooking, I'll go ahead and slice my garlic. I want to do this in pretty thin little slices. Now I'll go ahead and chop my parsley too. Time to go ahead and flip the steak and let it sear on the other side. Notice we're getting a pretty nice crust on there. We're going to do the same thing on the other side, and I'm going for medium on this steak. You just have to cook yours the way you like it. Spaghetti's coming along nice too. I'll give this just a couple more minutes and it'll be ready to drain. I went ahead and pulled my steak. Now I'll just leave it here on this cutting board and let it rest for a few minutes. I drained my pasta and I just went ahead and put it back in the pot for just a few minutes till I'm ready for it. And that same skillet that I used for the steak, I went ahead and rinsed it out. I'm going to go back on medium heat, and I'm going to coat the bottom with a pretty good amount of olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil, actually. Now I'll saute the garlic in this oil, and I don't want it to burn, so I'm actually going to back the heat down just a little bit. I just want it to saute for a minute or so and infuse the oil with the flavor, and this will be done. Just want to coat my pasta in the oil and get some of that garlic mixed in. I'm going to hit it with a little bit of this parsley. Mix that in just a bit. Hey folks, that's a delicious meal, simple recipe. You can cook that on a weeknight, cook it on a weekend, anytime you want. Just a few ingredients. On my spaghetti, I left mine with just a little bit of a bite. So you might like yours al dente, you might like it a little different. Just cook the steak and cook the spaghetti or the pasta that you use to your liking. Just let me know in the comments below what's your favorite pairing with a steak on a weeknight when you're just looking for something simple and easy. I hope you give this video a try. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll catch you in the next one. God bless you all.